Welcome back to the Scarborough Paranormal channel. It's been a long time since we've done one of these paranormal investigation videos. This one is just a quick return video to say hello, we're back. Obviously we're planning to do a couple investigations in the future here, some more household activity, some more basement stuff, and hopefully, of course, being in the COVID times we're in, it's a lot more difficult to get round to the historical locations, but we're hoping that when things start to ease up and we get back to the original normal, we'll be able to go to the historical museums again, like Fort York and the Montgomery's Inn, that's on the west end of the city. Hopefully we'll be able to investigate that as well. Now in this video you'll see we have a brand new piece of equipment that we are adding to our collection that we have been wanting now for 7 years. It's been a long time. It's since we began our paranormal investigations on the channel here. Our first videos were 7 years ago. It's one of the pieces of equipment that we wanted around that time. It's been a long time in the coming. Obviously, this equipment, it's not children's toys, it's some professional stuff. It has a big price tag that comes with it. So this is something that is the result of a long time of hard work and earning things and putting aside all the savings for it. So it's going to be a fantastic piece of equipment that we're going to be adding to our repertoire for our investigation episodes here on the Scarborough Paranormal channel. So, let's dive right into the unboxing of our brand new piece of equipment. Well, would you look at this? It appears some sort of parcel has arrived to us in the mail. We're going to open it up and see what has arrived. So we don't need that. It appears to be a REM pod. The paranormal investigation piece, which has been on the list since 2011. So now we finally have the REM pod to add into our paranormal investigation kit. We can go ahead and open it up. Apparently we'll need scissors. And there it is, out of the package, the REM pod, which includes the temperature detection. So now we finally have our final piece of equipment that we have needed for the ghost hunting kit. After 7 years. The REM pod has arrived. Well, now we have gotten the REM pod entirely unpacked, and now we have the calibration steps to do the initial startup of the REM pod, which involves the extension of the top antenna. It goes higher. I can do that. There we go. The antenna is now fully extended. And then you go to the bottom, and there's the on switch down there beneath the 9-volt battery. So to turn it on, we flick the switch. It does its double beep for its calibration. It'll automatically do your baseline of 0, and it should detect your hand motion going around. The REM pod. And what it does is when we're doing investigations, is we can use it to try and attempt communication with the spirits. We can ask them to near the REM pod and to put their hand near the antenna, or it'll pick up on their electromagnetic field there near the device. It'll start going off. They're playing with it and go off like that. The next time we do an investigation, we'll get to try it out. We also do. You can press the REM 0 to get an automatic baseline of 0. And that is the REM pod. Flip it around to shut it off. Well, alright, and there you have. You see, we have the unboxing video there of the REM pod EMT, the temperature detection and electromagnetic field detection tool device. As you can see, I showcased the functions of the REM pod, and we're very excited to get to be able to use this fantastic investigative tool in our next upcoming paranormal research investigation. So hopefully you'll stick around on the Scarborough Paranormal channel. It's been a long time since we've uploaded videos, and of course they are rather sporadic in between when we get stuff up. When it's finished, obviously, after we're done the investigation, obviously all the footage has to be edited, and I have to, of course, have to go over all the evidence. So it takes a long time between filming the investigation and to when it gets uploaded on the YouTube channel here. Alright, this is just a quick little video to say hello, we're back, and I hope you enjoy the Scarborough Paranormal investigations that we have coming up in the near future. Hope everyone is staying safe during the COVID 2020 times. Hopefully we'll have a far better year in the future, 2021. It's not too far away, it's just coming up. It's already September. So hopefully as we go into 2021, we'll have a lot of great things lined up and some more fun, exciting activity to go onto the channel here. Tally ho!